Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to color code your Microsoft Outlook calendar. This is a fantastic way to organize your schedule visually, making it easier to distinguish between different types of events at a glance. Let's dive right in and get your calendar beautifully color coded. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're signed in, give it a moment to fully load all your messages and settings. This ensures that everything is properly synced before we move forward with customizing your calendar. Once your email has been loaded, it's time to navigate to your calendar menu. Look at the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find the calendar icon. Click on it to switch from your email view to your calendar view. This is where all the magic of organizing your schedule happens, and it's the central hub for managing your appointments and events. Once your Outlook calendar has loaded, look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. From here, click on the View tab. This tab gives you access to various customization options that help you control how your calendar displays information. Under your View menu, look for View Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. Click on it and an Advanced View Settings window will appear. This window is your gateway to deeper customization options that aren't immediately visible in the standard interface. From here, look for the Conditional Formatting option and click on it. Conditional formatting is the feature that allows you to apply specific colors based on certain criteria, making it perfect for color coding your calendar. From the Calendar Conditional Formatting menu, click on the Add button. You'll notice that the fields below activate ready for your input. Start by filling out the name field. You can type in categories like meeting, other agenda, training, or anything else that you regularly use on your calendar. This name helps you identify what each color represents, so choose something clear and descriptive. Then select the color you wish to use for your color coding. Pick colors that make sense to you and are easy to distinguish from one another. For example, you might use blue for meetings, green for training sessions, and red for important deadlines. Once you've named your category and selected your color, simply click on OK. Your new color-coded category is now saved and will automatically apply to events that match your criteria. You can repeat this process for as many categories as you need, building a comprehensive color-coded system that makes your calendar instantly readable and organized. This visual organization saves you time and helps you prioritize your day more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.